So guys, we are here at the Sacramento River. And look who's over there. See over there, wait, right there. We're checking out the place, guys. Let's see. Sacramento River. Beautiful, beautiful river. First time here. Sacramento River. Look at that. Alright, go.
Alright guys, stop fishing again. Sacramento River.
Well, hello. Good morning, everyone. Hello. Welcome back to our channel. So anyways, I miss you. I hope you guys miss me too. Well, guess what? We're out and about again, and today we are at Sacramento River. Gorgeous day, and here is my co-star Tommy. Say hi. So anyways, wish us luck. What a beautiful day, guys. All right, let's see. We drove about an hour and 20 minutes to get here, you guys. So okay, honey, let's catch the big ass sturgeon.
We'll see.
Oh, let's see. Ooh, look at them. Look at all the boat. Maybe next time we'll bring the boat. Okay, you guys, let's just wait, okay? Guys, I'm bored, so I'm gonna sing, okay? What you got if you ain't got love? The kind that you just wanna give away. It's okay to open up. Go ahead and let the light shine through. I know it's hard on a rainy day. You wanna shut the world out and just be left alone, but don't run out of your faith. 'Cause sometimes that mountain you've been climbing is just a grain of sand. And what you've been out there searching for forever is in your hands. And when you figure out love is all that matters after all, it sure makes everything else seem so small. Yeah. Yep, that's it. I'm just singing only a little short version of it. I hope you enjoy. Look at that. Fishing close to Sacramento International Airport. Where's the plane at now? Oh, too bad. Can't see no more. Woo! That's a good throw.
Honey, if you don't catch any fishes today, I'm gonna cut your balls and use it for a bait.
I'm gonna cut off your balls and use it for the bait.
I'm gonna be ball.
I wonder if the fish is gonna bite that shit. I know I would.
Go ahead. Take it.
Oh my gosh. And ooh, look it. That's a fast boat over there, you guys. Beautiful homes over there, guys. Right off the river. Must be nice.
My bait.
Your bait balls? Your ball baits? Oh, look at it, you guys. We're fishing right there by the Sacramento International Airport. I don't know where the plane is, but I can see it from here. Not on my camera. How fun is that, guys? Thanks a lot. There goes my fishes. All right, there goes my fishes. They're having fun, all right. Woohoo!
Yeah.
Gorgeous views, all right, you guys. Look at this. Where are all the fishes? We drove an hour and 20 minutes to get here. But no fishes. No, a lot of boaters today. There goes one more. We just didn't want to bring our boat today. There goes another one. I think maybe that's why there's no fishes. There goes another one. Are you giving up, baby?
Stay here, baby.
All right. Look at our 3 fishing poles, you guys. We are out here trying. What can we do, guys? We're out here trying to get you content, but you know what? Sometimes it's just like gambling, huh? I guess that's what my FCs and my YouTubers commented. Fishing is like gambling. There are days that you're gonna win, there are days that you're gonna lose, and there are days you're gonna catch fishes, and there are days that you're not gonna catch nothing. And these are one of the days. Hey.
Yeah.
All right, baby.
Okay. Bye-bye. See you guys next time.
See what we have to go through for the content? Look at that. We parked the car way up there, guys. Yep. And we have to come down this way, over here, and here's our fishing spot. And here is the views. ទន្លេមកពួនពួនសំណក់ខ្លួនក្រោមខ្យល់ជំនោ ទន្លេមកពួនពួនសំណក់ខ្លួនក្រោមខ្យល់ជំនោគេកងក្លាំងមកថាសន្តោកអូកាន់ប៉លពតទីណាគឺថ្ងៃលិច Alright guys, what the heck is going on? We've been here like 5 hours already and there's no bite. Not even a single bite, guys. It's time to say farewell. We drove an hour and 20 minutes to get here, guys. Right, baby? Where are you?
Right here, though.
Turn. So, he still gives a thumbs up. Okay.
It's a good day. Water's good. Water's good. River's good.
Where the frick is the fishes, huh? Where are the fishes? No good. Bless America, God bless America. God, I think that's the reason why, maybe, honey. There's so many boats today, you know?
Yeah, I think because of boat.
What?
I said the only way to kill fish is just let my wife sit on it.
Shut up. Good job. When you got and you get God love. Da, 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 it's okay to open up. Go ahead and let the light shine through. What? Alright guys, we've been out here for a good maybe 3 to 4 hours and we're not catching anything, not even one bite. So we're gonna maybe try to change location or we drove an hour and 20 minutes to get here, you guys. And I don't know, for some reason, no bites at all. So anyways, alright you guys, please don't forget to continue on supporting Annalee and Tommy. Okay, please subscribe, share, and press the bell. Ding, 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 ding. Alright, see you guys. Bye-bye. Take care.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
See what we have to go through. Oh my God, babe. I might fall and get you. We got everything, honey? See what we have to do. Oh, shoot.
I got everything
oh my
but
God.
fish.
You got... You got everything but the fishes?
But the fish.
Okay, baby. Which way are you going?
Oh boy.
You going that way?
Yes,
Oh my God, babe. Wait. Oh my God. See what I have to go through, guys? What we have to go through to get this video content for you guys. Alright, baby.
Thanks for watching.
Oh, there's my baby. You're going that way, I'm going this way. That's how it is. And that's where my baby is. And I have to go up the hill. Look at guys, we are passing the river that we were just at right now. This is Sacramento River. Woo-hoo.
Yeah.
Yep. Look at all the farm, you guys. We are passing by the Sacramento International, no, it's Sacramento International Airport. So we stop here to have In-N-Out burgers. Alright, we're here at our favorite place again. Every time we go fishing, guys, this is where we end up. Yummy, yummy. You want to go sit over there a little bit? I don't know where we're at. We're like
Still in Sacramento.
East Commerce. Someone's tired.
That's how fishermen. No fish. So good.
We're having burgers. This is our second day, guys. We didn't go home yet from fishing, so we're gonna stop at this place called Pho Hot Vietnamese cuisine, right here.
It's
All right.
It's a noodle place.
Yep, a pho place. Let's go,
Yep.
baby.
Let's go. Let's go eat.
Hey guys, we're still out and about from yesterday, and we're having pho right now. Yay!
Yeah.
At a place called Pho Hot. Look at this. I love basil.
My special breakfast.
This is his. Thank you. Hey guys, this is my bowl. And this is his over here. This is called Durian shake, right?
Durian shake.
Good?
It's good.
Okay.
You can taste that fruit.
Really?
Yeah.